Why are there so many floods around the world? Why are forests burning more frequently? Why are temperatures rising to dangerous levels? Why are aquatic animals dying in large numbers? This is all happening because of one major reason.
Climate change.
Climate change.
Global warming.
President Trump believes climate change is a hoax. We know this because he has said it over and over again.
Is climate change. Climate change is defined as a long-term change in the Earth's overall temperature with massive and permanent ramifications. Climate scientists believe that this isn't caused naturally by the Earth, but by human activity. Earth's atmosphere consists of gases such as oxygen and nitrogen, and other gases known as greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. Incoming light from the sun hits the Earth's surface. The Earth absorbs some of that energy, heating the surface of the planet. The rest of that energy gets reflected. Some of that energy goes back out into space, but greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap the energy and send it right back to the Earth's surface, heating it up even more. This is known as the greenhouse effect. Now, a little greenhouse effect is natural to the Earth and is a good thing to have, but a large greenhouse effect can be catastrophic, causing a lot of that energy to stay in our atmosphere and heat up the Earth at an accelerating rate. Is climate change.
If we talk about the Earth, it has already become hotter by 1.4 degrees Celsius, according to the World Meteorological Organization, WMO. From 2025 to 2029, there is an 86% chance that the global temperature will rise and reach 1.5 degrees Celsius. Global temperatures are expected to remain at record levels over the next 5 years. The main reason behind this is human activity. People are burning fossil fuels like petrol and coal, setting up large-scale factories, and increasing car emissions. All of this is changing the climate and making the Earth hotter and hotter. If the Earth continues to warm, we will see more frequent and intense heat waves. Sea levels will rise more than expected. Glaciers will melt at a faster rate. Floods, storms, even farmers will suffering as water sources dry up. This chart shows the average heat index, ranging from low temperatures to extreme danger levels. If we look at the world's highest temperatures, Pakistan is among the top 5 countries that record the most extreme heat. Now take another look at the heat index chart. Pakistan's average temperatures fall into the extreme danger category. But here's the shocking truth. Pakistan contributes only about 1% to global greenhouse gas emissions, while countries like China contribute around 32%, and the United States about 12%.
So Obama's talking about all of this with the global warming and that, and a lot of it's a hoax. It's a hoax. I mean, it's a money-making industry, okay? It's a hoax.
The president has tweeted climate change skepticism at least 115 times, including a claim that the concept of global warming was created by and for the Chinese.
Climate change has serious consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets in places like Greenland and Antarctica are melting. The extra water that was once stored in glaciers is now flowing into the oceans, causing sea levels to rise and leading to flooding in coastal areas. Warmer temperatures are also making the weather more extreme. This means not just stronger storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in climate make it much harder to grow crops. Water supplies are shrinking, and the places where plants and animals can live are shifting. In addition to harming agriculture, climate change is directly affecting people's health. In cities, the warmer atmosphere traps more smog and pollution, which increases the risk of breathing problems and other illnesses. In Pakistan, the effects are already deadly. In recent heat waves, 568 people have died. It's not just humans who are suffering. There's a phenomenon called the urban heat island effect. Just think about it. In many parts of Pakistan, it remains hot not only during the day, but also at night. Why does this happen? Because our cities have become forests of concrete buildings. Now, if you look at Pakistan's roads, Most of them are made of asphalt. Asphalt is a black material commonly used in road construction because it's cheap and water-resistant. But here's the problem. Dark colors absorb sunlight, while light colors reflect it. Since asphalt is dark black, it absorbs a huge amount of heat during the day. Even when the air temperature is around 35 degrees Celsius, the surface temperature of asphalt roads can reach up to 70 degrees. The good news is that in 2015, nearly every country in the world came together to sign the Paris Agreement, a global treaty aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions. We have talked about all the phenomena and consequences of climate change. Now, let's discuss the solutions to climate change. What are the solutions to climate change? We should plant as many trees as possible. Cooling centers should be established in every city. A strong public alert system should warn people about extreme weather, heat waves, floods, and other climate-related dangers. Cities should be redesigned with more green spaces, proper ventilation, shaded streets. Large-scale reforestation must be carried out to restore lost forests and biodiversity. Every small action counts. Reduce plastic use, save energy, recycle, avoid waste, and raise awareness. Climate change solutions begin with individual responsibility. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.